Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a coffee latte. First, let's master the espresso. Start with fresh, finely ground coffee beans. Load your portafilter, then tamp the grounds evenly with firm pressure, around 30 pounds. This ensures a consistent extraction. Now, pull a double espresso shot. Aim for about 1.5 to 2 ounces of rich, dark liquid, extracted in 25 to 30 seconds. This forms the delicious base of your latte. Next, we'll prepare the milk. Always use cold whole milk. It steams best. Purge your steam wand, then submerge it just below the surface of the milk. Introduce air for a few seconds to create a slight foam, then lower the wand to heat the milk. Steam until it reaches a temperature of 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a smooth, velvety texture with small, uniform bubbles. Tap and swirl the pitcher to remove any large bubbles. Now for the exciting part, combining your espresso and milk. Gently swirl your espresso to ensure the crema is integrated. Immediately after steaming, pour the milk into the espresso. Start with a high pour to mix the milk and espresso, then lower the pitcher closer to the cup as it fills. As the cup is about 2/3 full, tilt the cup and pour a steady stream to create your desired latte art, like a simple heart or rosetta. Practice makes perfect. Congratulations, you've made a delicious homemade latte. Serve it immediately to enjoy the perfect temperature and flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different coffee beans and milk types to discover your personal favorite combination. Remember, practice is key to improving your technique and latte art. And always clean your espresso machine and steam wand after each use to keep it in top condition. Enjoy your barista quality creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.